We have also decided that the provision for government jobs for one member of the family of Mr. David Manlu, Kirti Chakra, who was martyred on 6th of June 2017 during counter-insurgency operations in Nagaland. The government has examined the matter and it was decided that one government job will be provided in the office of the Director of the Sainik Welfare Board. Further, it was decided that the government of Meghalaya will enhance the cash reward for the Paramveer Chakra awardee from existing 1 lakh to rupees 5 lakhs. The government of Meghalaya has also decided to enhance the annuity to award winner for the PVC from 1,000 rupees per month to 10,000 rupees per month. We have also decided that we will provide sufficient space for the ECHS polyclinic, which was required in Tura, and there was a demand for it, and we are happy to inform you that we have agreed to provide that space. As was announced by Colonel Rai regarding the guest house, the Sainik Welfare Board, the government has sanctioned 4 crores.